GoClean Car Eco-Technologies company is based in Changsha City, China, which always devotes itself to provide safe, clean, pollution-free car care equipment. Here comes the newest environmental car wash way, GoClean Steamer. Which parts do you usually clean? Car body, right? But do you pay attention to those places? Air conditioner, steering, engine compartment. GoClean Steamer brings your car comprehensive washing. It can clean all those parts well without any chemical. Moreover, it brings your non-bacterial environment, making your family and friends enjoying the driving time with you. There are some parts can be cleaned by GoClean. Car body, car tire and rim, car light, car interior, car engine compartment, So, how to operate the GoClean Steamer? First, turn on the switch. Second, start the machine, press on. Third, choose power 6 kW or 9 kW. Fourth, choose steam wet or dry. Fifth, open steam jet. Sixth, use GoClean to clean car. GoClean Steamer is the only one using wet and dry separation system. Compared to traditional cleaning equipment, not only GoClean Steamer can clean cars, but also clean bacteria inside, makes your car much cleaner. GoClean Steamer, energy saving, faster cleaning, high customer satisfaction. Welcome to join us. Please visit us